Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore how to convert the fraction 17/100ths to a decimal. To convert the fraction 17/100ths to a decimal, all we need to do is divide the numerator, the top number, by the denominator, the bottom number. So, we simply divide 17 by 100. The answer we get is 0.17. To do this by hand using long division, we start by writing 17 as the dividend and 100 as the divisor. Since 100 doesn't fit into 17, we add a decimal point in our answer and append 2 zeros to 17, making it 1700. How many times does 100 go into 1700? Exactly 17 times. We write 17 after the decimal point in the quotient, making it 0.17. Multiplying 17 by 100 gives us 1700. When we subtract 1700 from 1700, we get a remainder of 0. So, there we have it. The fraction 17/100ths converted to a decimal is 0.17. This conversion process demonstrates a straightforward method to understand and represent fractions in decimal form. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for watching.